Meaning of ingenuous.
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 Ingenuous. The word ingenuous means to be innocent, open, and straightforward. It describes someone who is honest, sincere, and naive. An ingenuous person is not calculating or deceptive in their actions or words. They are often seen as pure-hearted and without guile or malice. Being ingenuous can be a desirable trait because it indicates a person's honesty and trustworthiness. However, it can also be a liability, as an ingenuous person may be taken advantage of by those who are less scrupulous.